For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a diaper business can be a profitable venture with a stable customer base, especially when paired with the efficiency and automation offered by AI tools. Whether you plan to launch disposable diapers, eco-friendly cloth diapers, or biodegradable options, integrating AI will help you streamline your planning, production, marketing, and sales. Here is a 1,000-word step-by-step guide to launching your diaper business using AI. Step 1. Conduct market research with AI. Understanding your target market is critical. Use AI to identify customer preferences, analyze competitors, and detect market gaps. Recommended AI tools. ChatGPT, OpenAI, for research prompts and insights. Crayon or SimilarWeb for competitor analysis. Google Trends for consumer demand trends. Prompt. ChatGPT, help me conduct market research for starting a diaper business. What are the latest trends in baby products, and what are parents looking for in diapers? Tasks. Identify your target demographics, e.g. new parents, hospitals, daycares. Analyze price points, product types, disposable, cloth, biodegradable. Study competitors' strengths and weaknesses. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A solid business plan outlines your mission, product offerings, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Recommended AI tools. ChatGPT for business plan creation. Notion AI or Copy.ai for structured writing assistance. Prompt. ChatGPT. Write a business plan for a startup diaper business offering eco-friendly disposable diapers. Include executive summary, product line, target market, marketing strategy, operations, and financial forecast. Tasks. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Set short-term and long-term goals. Plan capital requirements and revenue expectations. Step 3. Product design and prototyping. Creating an effective and comfortable diaper involves R&D. AI can assist with materials research, product testing, and feedback collection. Recommended AI tools. Autodesk Fusion 360 for 3D product design. ChatGPT or Claude.ai for brainstorming and R&D input. Midjourney or DALL-E for visual product concepts. Prompt. ChatGPT. Suggest biodegradable materials suitable for creating eco-friendly diapers. Include absorbency and comfort factors. Tasks. Choose materials, bamboo fiber, organic cotton, etc. Design the product with 3D modeling. Create a prototype for user testing. Step 4. Sourcing and manufacturing with AI optimization. Choose suppliers and manufacturers who meet your quality, cost, and sustainability needs. AI helps with vendor comparison, supply chain forecasting, and inventory management. Recommended AI tools. LlamaSoft, now part of Coupa, for supply chain optimization. Anvil for procurement management. ChatGPT for evaluating vendor criteria. Prompt. ChatGPT, list the top criteria for selecting a diaper manufacturer and help me draft questions to ask during vendor evaluation. Tasks. Request and compare quotes from manufacturers. Use AI to simulate production costs and profit margins. Set up efficient supply chain systems. Step 5. Branding and logo design with AI. Your brand identity is vital for standing out in the crowded diaper market. AI tools can quickly generate logo designs, color palettes, and branding elements. Recommended AI tools. Loca or Brandmark for logo creation. ChatGPT or Copy.ai for brand storytelling. Canva's magic design feature for packaging mockups. Prompt. ChatGPT. Write a brand story and slogan for a modern, eco-friendly diaper brand targeting environmentally conscious parents. Tasks. Finalize brand name, tagline, and logo. Design packaging that is attractive and informative. Ensure branding is consistent across platforms. Step 6. Build an e-commerce website. Your online store should showcase your products, facilitate transactions, and build customer trust. AI can help design, write content, and manage your online storefront. Recommended AI tools. Shopify with AI-generated product descriptions. Wix ADI or Bookmark for AI-powered web design. ChatGPT for website copy. Prompt. ChatGPT. Write an about us and product description for a premium biodegradable diaper brand. Tasks. Set up an online store, Shopify WooCommerce. Integrate AI chatbots like Tidio or Intercom for customer support. Add product photos, reviews, and secure payment gateways. Step 7. Marketing and advertising using AI. Effective marketing is essential for gaining traction. AI tools allow you to automate, analyze, and personalize marketing efforts for better ROI. Recommended AI tools. ChatGPT or Jasper.ai for marketing content. Copy.ai for social media captions and ad headlines. Surfer SEO for blog content optimization. AdCreative.ai for ad visuals and text. Prompt. ChatGPT. Create a marketing plan for launching a diaper brand. Include social media strategy, email marketing, influencer outreach, and paid ads. Tasks. Launch email campaigns using MailChimp or Brevo with AI writing help. Post AI-written content to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Use targeted Google Ads and Facebook ads powered by AI suggestions. Step 8. Pricing strategy and financial planning. Set competitive prices that cover costs and yield profit. AI helps simulate various pricing models and forecast financial performance. Recommended AI tools. QuickBooks or Zoho Books for financial management. ChatGPT for pricing suggestions. Microsoft Excel with GPT plugins for financial modeling. Prompt. ChatGPT. Help me develop a pricing strategy for an eco-friendly diaper brand. Consider production costs, market competition, and target audience. Tasks. Calculate cost of goods sold (COGS). Set wholesale and retail prices. Forecast monthly revenue and break-even point. Step 9. Sales channels and distribution. Decide whether you'll sell directly to consumers, partner with retailers, or both. AI can predict demand and help manage inventory across channels. Recommended AI tools. Inventory Planner for demand forecasting. ChatGPT for sales strategy advice. Prompt. ChatGPT. What are the best sales channels for launching a new diaper brand? Should I focus on online direct-to-consumer or work with baby product stores? Tasks. List products on Amazon, Etsy, and your website. Approach retail stores and baby boutiques. Use AI to monitor and adjust inventory levels. Step 10. Customer service and feedback analysis. Conclusion. Launching a diaper business with the help of AI is not only achievable, but also smart. AI saves time, reduces costs, and helps you make data-driven decisions at every stage of the journey, from market research and branding to customer service and financial management. By leveraging the right tools and prompts, you can build a competitive and innovative diaper brand that meets modern consumer demands. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.